डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चन के सीरीज में हमारा आज का टॉपिक है चेंजिंग कल्चरल ट्रेडिशन, थीम 7, क्लास 11th. लेट अस बिगिन आवर फर्स्ट सेगमेंट विथ 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन. 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, द फॉलोइंग इटालियन सिटीज बिकेम द सेंटर ऑफ आर्ट and learning during 14th to 17th century Western Europe. You have to choose among the four. A is Florence, Venice, Rome. B is Paris, Wales, Birmingham. C is Amsterdam, Liverpool, Wales. And D is Florence, London and Wales. Choose the correct one. Question number 2. Which term was used to describe the cultural changes of this period, that is 14th to 17th century Europe? For A is revolution, B is requisition, C is renunciation and D is renaissance. Choose the correct option. Question number 3. Name the two main historians who emphasize this cultural change. Question 4. Revival of Italian city as center of trade was between, again you have to choose the correct option. A is Byzantine and Islamic countries, B was England and France, C Russia and Germany, D Asia and Africa. Question number 5. Name the Italian cities that became the center of education during early modern Europe. Question 6. Match the following Arabic words with their Latin versions. The options are 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to match with A, B, C, D. 1 is Ibn Sina, 2 is Al-Razi, 3 is Ibn Rushd, and 4th is Falsafa. And the options which has to be matched is A, philosophy, B, Avicenna, C, Rhesus and D, Averroes. Coming to question number 7, match the following artists with their talent. 1 is Donatello, 2 is Andre Vesalius, 3 is Michelangelo and 4 is Leonardo da Vinci. And that you have to match with A, painted Mona Lisa, B, painted ceiling in Sistine Chapel, C, first to dissect human body, and D, made life like statues. So you have to match the correct options. Question number 8, who made the first printing press? Question 9, name the German monk who launched Protestant Reformation. Question 10, what does New Testament of Bible deal with? 11, match the following names of scientists with their discoveries or specialization or theories. Again, options are 1 is Copernicus, 2 Johannes Kepler, 3 Galileo Galilei and 4 Isaac Newton. And you have to match with A, gravitation, B, rotation of earth, C, astronomy, D, motion. With this we come to the end of the first segment, that is 1 mark questions. Coming to the second part or the second segment of our set of questions, 3 marks question. Question number 1 is, mention the sources of history that familiarize us with the Renaissance period. Question 2, what were the major features of urban centers of 14th to 17th century Western Europe? And this can also come as an 8-mark question. Question number 3, what factors helped in the revival of Italian cities as center of trade during 12th century CE? Question 4, how were the republics and city-states were different from other parts of Europe? Coming to question number 5 of 3 markers is, define humanism. How was it different from medieval religion? Question 6, what was the most important impact on modern educational program during 11th century? 7th, how did Arab translators contribute in spreading Greek works and vice versa? Question 8, how did humanists approach people? 9, how was architecture revived during Renaissance period? 10, how did print culture become helpful in conveying the information of Renaissance period? This can also come as 8 marks question. Question 11, what was the new concept of human beings during humanist period of Italy, that is Western Europe? Question 12, how different did the world appear to Europeans in 17th century? This brings us to the end of 3 markers. Now coming to the third segment, 8-mark question. Question number 1. This is a statement. Renaissance artists believed that art is the mirror of life. Justify the statement. Or the question can come as, describe the different scientific elements in the work of 16th century Italian art. Question number 2. Describe the position of women in Western Europe of modern age, that is Renaissance period. Question 3. Describe the new ideas and debates that spread outside Italy about the development of humanistic culture in 15th and 16th century. Question number 4 for 8 marks question. How did scientific discovery give a setback to conservative Christian belief? Or the question can come as, how did Copernicus' work become a turning point in European science? Question 5. What was Burckhardt' view in support of Renaissance, and who challenged this view and how? This brings us to the end of 8-mark questions. Now coming to the fourth segment, questions based on figures and sources or box. Question number 1, page 154, box, the city-state. Questions are, who wrote this paragraph? Second, how were city-states different from other parts of Europe? This is a repeat. Question 3, what does the paragraph explain or what does the paragraph convey? Question 2, page 156, box, dignity of man. Question is, who has written this paragraph? Second question, to which place did he belong, the person who wrote this paragraph? And third, what was the importance of debate according to Plato and Aristotle? Coming to question 3, page 158, figure and paragraph, praying hands is the topic. Question, who painted this picture? Second question, what according to the painter is the meaning of art? Third, what does the paragraph convey about Italian culture of 16th century? Now the answers, as I told you before in other set of questions, you will find the statements written near the pictures and my notes as well. Next question, question number 4, page 158, figure, the Pieta. Question, who is the artist of this picture? Second, what does the picture depict? And third, how did artists achieve accuracy in their art form? Question 5, page 159, figure and paragraph, Leonardo da Vinci. Question is, what does the picture depict? And second, what does the paragraph explains? Question 6, page 159, figure, Roman building copied. Question is, what does the picture convey? Second, who was Michelangelo? And third question, what was his contribution in the field of art? Question number 7, page 160, figure and paragraph, the Duomo. Question is, what does the picture depict? Who wrote this paragraph? Second question, who according to the writer was a real architect? And third question, how did print culture convey various information of this period? Question 8, page 161, box, the Prince. Question is, who is the writer of this paragraph? What book did he write? Second question, what did he write about human nature? Question 9, page 162, figure, Isabella di Te. Question, who was Isabella di Te? Second question, what was the position of women during this period? Coming to question number 10 of this segment, page 162, box, the courtier. Question is, who is the writer of this paragraph and what book did he write? Second question, how according to the writer of this paragraph should a woman behave? Third question, what was the position of women in Renaissance period? Again, this question is repeat. Question number 11, page 164, box, defending Protestantism. Question is, who is the writer of this paragraph? Second question, what were the issues on which the Protestants criticized the Catholic Church? Third, what does the New Testament of Bible convey? Question 12, page 165, figure, Copernicus. Question is, how did the work of Copernicus become a turning point in European science? Again, this question is a repeat. Who was Copernicus? Then, this is the next question. Third question, who conveyed the idea of Copernicus? And the fourth question is, name the other scientists of this period and their field of study. With this, we come to the end of our fourth segment of set of questions, and also we end the set of questions. Thank you very much. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अगर मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, लाइक करें और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.